Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you're all fine. And guys, today we will make bubble blower and bubble liquid at home. So let's start. So guys, for making the bubble liquid, first we need 1 cup or 1 glass of water. Then we need 1 packet of shampoo. You can take any shampoo you have at your home. So now we will cut the shampoo and mix it with this water. So let's mix it. I will prefer you to take 2 packets of shampoo for making a strong bubble liquid. You can take one packet of shampoo too. Mix the whole packet with the water. Now mix this up with using a spoon or a straw. So I finished making the bubble liquid. Guys, there are so many different ideas, or we can say different steps for making the bubble liquid, but I will prefer this one because I have tried this and it performed very well. Now for making the bubble blower, we need a straw and a scissors. Now what we have to do, from the end we have to cut it. I will show you how to cut it. We have to cut it like this. Now we have to cut the straw like this. You can see over here. Now the blower and the bubble liquid both are ready. Now let's test our bubble blower and liquid. Let's test. So guys, I have poured the bubble liquid into a container and mixed food color in this for making the liquid color. And I have did it the straw like this after cutting it. Now let's test it.